Dear students, this module is going to deal with basic skills of बायोटेक्नोलॉजी वर्कप्लेस। बायोटेक्नोलॉजी लैब में काम करने के लिए हमें डिफरेंट किस्म के सॉल्यूशंस प्रिपेयर करना पड़ते हैं जिनकी वॉल्यूम वेरिएबल हो सकती है। तो in this module we are going to see that what kind of equipment, what kind of glassware is available to prepare the solutions. And for solution preparation, we need to measure the volumes. Volume can be defined as the measurement of amount of space something occupies. Any liquid is measured in volumes. For example, liter are the units, milliliter or microliter. These are the units of volume measurement. Often we measure the volume in one unit and we report them in another unit. And for that purpose, a student must practice about converting between metric units, what is the conversion factor, and which volume should be measured by which piece of equipment. Normally the volumes less than 10 milliliter are measured by the pipettes and more than 10 milliliters are advised to be measured by the graduated cylinders. In a biotechnological lab or facility, there are some tools for volume measurements. For example, graduated cylinders, pipettes and micropipettes. These graduated cylinders, they are made of glass or they are made of plastics which have graduation on the outer surface, and these graduated cylinders are available in different capacities. For example, 10 milliliter, 25 milliliter, 100 milliliter, 250 milliliter, 500 milliliter and 1 liter. So always use a specific graduated cylinder to use a specific volume. For example, if you need to measure a volume of 20 milliliter, it is preferred to use a graduated cylinder of 25 milliliter, not of 100 milliliter, because it increases the error in the volume. While reading the volume on a graduated cylinder, you should observe the meniscus. The reading of the volume should be from the center. In this particular picture, you can see this is the actual volume which is this cylinder holds. Don't try to read the volumes from the edges of the meniscus, because the edges of the meniscus are slightly higher than the center of the meniscus because of forces of attraction between the liquid molecules and the glass surface. So it is always recommended that use the right volumetric graduated cylinder to measure the required volume. Don't use larger volumetric cylinder to measure the smaller volumes, and always try to use the pipettes when you have to measure the volumes less than 10 milliliters.